Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to run ads on Facebook and Instagram for Shopify. Firstly, you need to go to business.facebook.com and create a business manager, but you have that already, so let's move on to the next step. In your Shopify admin, go to Sales Channels, then Facebook and Instagram. Click Start, Setup or Connect Account. Now all you have to do is follow the steps to connect your Facebook Business Manager, ad account, and pixel. Now choose your Facebook page and Instagram account to sync. Shopify automatically syncs your product catalog with Facebook or Instagram once connected. Now head to Meta Ads Manager, then click the plus create and choose a campaign objective like sales, traffic, or leads. Now you need to set up audience targeting like custom or interest-based placements like choose Facebook, Instagram, or both, and budget and schedule. Now upload ad creatives like images or videos and write your ad copy. Include a call action like shop now and your Shopify product link. Now you need to use MetaPixel to track user behavior on your site. In Meta Ads Manager, monitor metrics like click-through rate, cost per purchase, return on ad spend. Just a tip, test different ads to find what performs best.